What's up, chess friends? It's Rafi. Wanted to take a minute to make this quick video. One of the most commonly searched terms in Google is how to beat your dad at chess. It seems like a lot of us are very interested in beating our dads at chess, which makes sense because a lot of us learn chess first from their dad. And I know I did. My dad taught me some of the rules. Then my uncle taught me some more of the rules, and then from there I just kind of started playing against them, and then it went from there to other family members, so on and so forth. So while I cannot tell you how to precisely beat your dad in chess, as it depends exclusively on the moves that your dad makes and the moves that you make, and the moves that he makes in response to your moves, while I can't do that, I can show you a very common checkmate known as the scholar's mate that you can deploy against your dad. And while it's not impossible for him by any means to stop this checkmate, it is very tricky. And if you are playing against someone who is somewhat of a beginner chess player, or even someone who has been playing for a while but just doesn't play a lot of competitive chess, you could probably get them with this trick. So let's try it. The scholar's mate. In order to deploy this mate, you're going to want to move the pawn in front of your king 2 squares up. So that's e4. Let's just say your dad plays the move e5, which is a very, very common first move that a lot of casual, non-competitive chess players make. Then what you do is you put your bishop here on c4. Your bishop immediately points to this weak pawn on f7 on the black king side. So what a lot of players will do in these kind of positions, they'll play the move they'll play this move d6. They just want to protect this pawn right here. Okay? So then what you do is you take your queen and you put it right here on h5, which creates a double threat now. Bishop and queen are both pointed towards this pawn on f7, and only the king is defending this pawn on f7. An alternative could be to put the queen on f3. I don't think f3 is as effective because it easily lets black play this move knight to f6 to stop the threat, and a lot of people see this. But the move to queen to h5 is a little bit more tricky. And not a lot of beginners will play this move knight to f6 in this position. And that's when you can just go queen takes f7, checkmate. Very fast, very efficient. 4-move checkmate. You can beat your dad with this move. Some other alternatives could be your dad plays the move, say, I don't know, bishop to c5. He copies you. Then again, you can play this move queen to h5, which now creates a double threat. Let's just say your dad sees this threat on f7 and he plays g6. Well, now you're going to get this pawn on e5 with check. And now you're at least winning this bishop or this rook. If he blocks with the bishop, then you take the rook. If he moves the king, then you can either take the bishop or better yet, you can take this rook. So the computer suggests making this move, and then you can just take this free rook. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to give you guys this quick way to beat someone in chess in 4 moves. Hopefully it'll work against your dad. Try this out at home and let me know if it works. And if you've beaten your dad with it, hey, comment and let me know. I'll be very happy to hear that. Thank you. I'll catch you in my next video.